Mrs. Dussault did a great job. Bednareks. There's the pile. The street's not even plowed. This is like 10:30, 11 during the day. One car trying to get out down there. Actually a van. I don't know if you can see that. Kind of stuck in the middle of the road. Trying to get out. This is Flooters. Kids, you can't even see them. Now I'm Brno. There's Grandpa's house. Just crazy! Say hi to Zach! Place is alive with snowblowers. Hey. Oh wow. Oh my gosh. Oh man. I don't know if I can see it on here. I guess we're not going to get the snowblower out of the garage. Look at this drift. Crazy! I'm gonna go in it. Ah! Up to my thighs. Neighborhood is alive. Hey, Grandpa. The blizzard of 2011.
Was Scott's doing the drive?
Yeah, have you seen the drift in front of your driveway, in front of your garage?
No.
It's up to here.
You're kidding.
No. Because he was gonna ask you to get the snow blower, and then you can't open the garage.
Yeah, Heather's here. She's.
I'm videotaping the neighborhood.
Look at the front.
I know. Dad, you should see it. Look at this drift right here.
Good God.
Here, wait, hold this. I'm gonna go out. Can you zero in on? I'm gonna go stand in that.
Wait.
I'm gonna stand in this.
Is it running?
Scott? Yeah, it's running.
There's Heather.
Nothing here.
Whoa.
I'm making it for Zach and Paige.
What are you at?
So they can see. At 12 o'clock. Down to Pleasant Hill. Corner. There's the Joyces. There's Connie. Making a video for Zach and Paige. Hi, Dad.
This sucks.
It sucks. 2011. There's David. Hey, David. Bam. The flag. Where'd you go? Can you get through there? Gussie! Come on, Gussie! Oh, Gussie! Come on, Sam, you can do it. Oh, she's gonna go underneath. There's a good girl.
With my father-in-law, so I had to shovel to get to, like an open.
Frickin' Gus.
Yeah. My hands are freezing. But it's pretty. This is the first time I'm out. I'm amazed
Me-
how much snow there is.
Yes, I'm the same. I would.
You go driving down the road if you're in the right lane.
Come on, Gussie.
Dig, dig, dig.
Dig, dig, dig.
In my house, right in front there. It doesn't look like that much. So I kept looking out the window going.
Okay,
Gussie.
I'm gonna go find the scarf.
He's just gonna lay down.
Like,
Yeah,
I
he
think
dug a
this
hole right
side
there,
here,
too.
They got more snow in their driveways. 'Cause
Dig,
when
Gussie,
I'm gonna
dig.
go find the scarf and then we're gonna go.
it came,
Well, it's not.
as it got past the house, the wind stopped,
Dig, Gus.
dropped down, you know?
Dig, dig, dig.
Yeah.
Yeah. Dig. I did good boy. Oh! Oh!
You okay?
Oh gosh.